Now,
Good morning, clerk's office. Oh, God.
you ladies, have some papers to process to review, and as a public minister, civil rights advocate, it's my duty to inform you of your civil rights and to try to help you protect your civil rights. Now, somebody's told, threatened, or intimidated the Mitchell County, Georgia Public Records clerks not to file commercial documents, which I'm depositing with the clerks to be filed in public records. So they are refusing to file commercial documents in public records. Cut through the chase on it here. If you, because you can each have copies of information, and what it is if you refuse to file these instruments in public records, you're left with very few options to prevent criminal charges from being filed against you. Now, you must obtain a signatured memorandum from the party specifically ordering you and or any other clerk to not file any documents in question, so that they will be criminally charged instead of you. Upon your request or demand, they must provide to you findings of facts and conclusions of law to support their claims that the public cannot deposit documents to be filed in the public records despite the required filing pursuant to criminal law, Title 18 U.S.C. Section 2071. Should this party who is threatening you and or your job wish to not be criminally charged, they must provide an affidavit sworn to be true, correct, maturely complete, and not misleading under their own commercial liability as to their reason for suppressing the filing of the document. Now, how to correct your problem and to avoid criminal charges. I, Randall Dave, do demand that you, Dave and or any other Mitchell County Public Records clerk file into the public records all documents which I deposit or have deposited by any party into Mitchell County Public Records. I do not want to be forced by criminal law Title 18 U.S.C. Section 4 to file criminal charges and consensual
Let me stop you right here. Have I ever refused to file anything you brought in this office?
No, but I want to make this, I want to get everything clarified here because
I have never refused to file anything you brought in.
my wife brought some stuff in, so I'm just trying to clarify it. I'm trying to protect your rights also because, see, if somebody tells you that you can't, I want you to know what the law says. Because I don't want to cause it. You ladies are trying to do your job.
Exactly.
And so that's what I'm providing you. You've been processor of this information, and this will help provide you an understanding of how you can keep out of trouble. As long as you do your job, no problem. And I'll try to help you 100%. You know, I got nothing against you, y'all. All that we want is for you to do your job right. If anybody tells you you can't do this stuff, these are the laws back up how then you can charge them criminally. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. See, I'm not here.
Also, do you understand that if you file any paperwork in this office, that you're violating your...
You will see in this documentation the information. This is what I want filed because the judge committed judicial fraud under coercion and duress, which is fraud. He violated my civil rights. And when I signatured the conditional release, it was signatured, undersigned, UCC 1308. I've got this documentation in here. I've already processed, served on the judges. I've processed, served on the pretrial services people. They think I'm an easy turnover. They're going to find out different. Because the civil rights laws, the criminal laws hold them accountable. And anytime the judges violate their oaths of office and they commit coercion and duress, they've committed fraud.
Okay, let me see what you got.
I want all of those documentations filed in public records. I don't know how much it's going to cost. That gives you a list of everything in there.
sure. I know they file most things, it's 202, and if they're service, it's 50, but let me make sure. The person that I'm transferred to is on the call. Oh, this one.
All lined up.
Is it 202, it's like a record, thing. It's corporations on the call. They did that to the manager.
The only problem that I have with this is that it's styled up in the United States District Court and not Superior Court.
I'm wanting to file in public records. The public has the right to file any documents in the public records. You know how much it costs to be and they pay for it.
Okay, they're filed. Every one of them has that stamp. She
Okay.
got it on video, I'm sure.
Or, what, you need to put them into the record, in other words, besides just stamping it, it needs to be on the record, so that.
And what record do you want me to put it on?
File it in the, you see, you told me earlier you had, either the register of deeds or the lien section was the only thing you had available, correct? Put it in the lien section.
Take it. Do you know how much it is to file a deed of possession?
And I'm not to do anything with this, is for me.
That's just for you, so you can understand your rights
Thank you.
and help you to protect yourself.
I had someone else that they said it was, it's 202, and I was sued,
We-
and it's $50.
I want to pay for it.
Well, she said don't try.
I want to pay for it.
I got to do what the clerk says though.
Well, I want a receipt then that that's the way it is, because I'm not gonna,
Why don't I just do like a handwritten receipt that just says filed in office and.
Okay, and identify it.
Let me make sure I can do that. Hang on 1 second. All right, she said, if you have the original, do you have some more copies?
I've got them at home.
Well, she said just to make a copy of these, that they're filed in office, and that's your,
Well, what I want is I want it done properly. I want the recording number and everything put on that stuff.
yeah, I can, but I got stuff in front of me.
Right,
I do.
well, just, I'll leave it with you,
Okay.
and then you notify me when you have it done, and we'll come back and pick it up.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah. I don't want to cause you no problems. I want you to understand what the law says, and I'm here because I'm a public minister, civil rights advocate. I don't put up with this crap that these judges and everybody else are involved in.
Okay.
And
I will put it in with my stuff, like I said, I got
Okay,
this in
that's
front of
fine.
it. But I'll,
That's fine. If you can give me a note or receipt, because I want entered into the lien docket under.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a copy of this front page,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna put received by me. How about
Okay,
that?
that'll be fine.
All right, I can do that.
I want to pay something, if nothing more than a dollar, I want something that ties it up, I don't
Give me
care.
$1.
Okay. Well, you got $1.
Nope, I have hundreds.
Let's put $5 down.
Okay.
I want this thing tied in.
All right, I'm gonna make you a copy and make a
Okay.
copy of this.
Okay.
We would just send those out. What's the company?
All right, here we go. All right.
You ladies are just trying to do your job, and I
Oh,
want
you
to
said that
guarantee,
again.
you've got enough flack without, somebody causing you more, so I'm trying to assist. in
Well, I
what
just
you're
work
doing.
here and I work in this
Right.
room, so I'm only doing, what I'm supposed to
Right.
do.
Okay. well,
Do you want this one? You can keep
Okay.
that one and I'll keep
And you
this.
just let us know, my phone number's on there, and all, when you got it done,
Good.
it's down, it's on each of the documents. You
Okay.
know, you'll find,
All right.
on the documents, you'll find, if you just let us know, and then we can come back and put it up in several days, whatever, you know.
Okay.
But I'd rather it not be folded up.
Yeah, I won't fold it.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Can you get me a receipt then? And
Where's my,
Yes.
here we go.
86 or. Just a second.
All right.
yes, if you just use this front page, put it under that caption, everything under that situation there.
Okay, under this case number.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
you brought it over on May 31st.
Okay.
All right,
Just
Mr.
let me
Duke, we'll
know.
do it.
How many days will it be, you think, before you get it done?
So.
Probably by the end of the week I'll be
Okay,
through.
okay.
But I'll call you.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.